Scientists unite to resolve vengi in this
Not
fight.
scientist.
Together we are gone.
Hello guys, Rombita ma tutorials here. Python. Rombita some basic concepts on how to do basic Python things and how to do them well. So I'm going to be using the IDE Visual Studio Code, and you can use many other IDEs, but I think this is the one I prefer the most because it's the easiest to get and it's easiest to use with if you wanna do Mangoma language. So to begin with, what is Python in the first place? Python is just a programming language that that developed over time, that is open source. People usually add stuff kwairi, people take away from it, people use it for multiple things, data science, AI, including embedded system development, including software engineering, a lot of stuff. Even the new some autonomous vehicles use Python, stuff like that. It's a lot that you can apply in, and it's a very useful thing here with Amazon. So this is some Python in Papa. It might look a bit intimidating, Israel, but this is something chiri in development chatukura kudara. Let us do some basics and start a new project. Okay, so I'm going to create a new file and close all the necessary things. Okay, so I've created a new file. I'm going to create what kind of language I'm using. I'm going to select which language I'm using. Is Python. Okay, so what is the first thing? So in Python, unlike other languages, there's not much to do before you can just run a basic script. So in other languages, maybe you might have to start functions first, maybe the main function. But in Python, it's easy in the sense that the first thing you have to do is basically just write something on screen. And usually in programming languages, our first thing that we have to do is just print something on screen and see how everything works. So we're just going to print. We're going to use the term print. Then inside the parentheses, we're going to write whatever we want to print. So for example, let's write welcome the, the first Python tutorial. Then we're going to run. This is the button that we use